week's edition of Play CCN, which is brought to you by Temperzone. I'm your host, Sandra Rossi, editor of Climate Control News. Well, today is World Ozone Day, so it's only fitting that Australian technicians have set a record for destroying ozone-depleting gases. In the last year, our industry has destroyed more than 3 times the amount of R22 that was destroyed over the previous 5 years. More than 120 tonnes of R22 was recovered in the 2020-21 financial year. This is the largest amount to be sent to Refrigerant Reclaim Australia since they began reclaiming refrigerant a decade ago. During the 5 years previously, destruction rates for R22 were in the 14 to 39 tonne range. This new record was achieved because of the efforts of our refrigeration technicians. There are currently 124,000 technicians licensed by the Australian Refrigeration Council. Refrigerant Reclaim Australia expects the return of R22 for destruction to continue at a high rate as ageing equipment reaches the end of its service life. Now, Australia's HFC phase down has been steady and sweet compared to the European Union or other parts of the world. The biggest concern in Australia is the high use of R404A in commercial refrigeration equipment. CCN understands that the federal government is looking at a range of options to reduce further demand for R404A. For all the latest on Australia's HFC phase down, CCN will be hosting a roundtable in partnership with Refrigerants Australia and Refrigerant Reclaim Australia in November. The roundtable will bring together experts from around Australia, and CCN will publish a special report after the event. While on the subject of refrigerants, UK refrigerant manufacturer Cowra will be presenting a new A2L blend for air conditioning at the upcoming Chillventa exhibition in Nuremberg. The refrigerant, which is known as R468C, has a GWP of just 286 and has the performance benefits of R410A or R32. Now, it was recently classified by ASHRAE as a non-toxic, lower flammability A2L refrigerant. R468C is a blend of, it's 42% of R32, 52% of R1234YF, and 6% of R1132A. Now, this combination gives it a much lower GWP than R32. So that'll be interesting to see later this year. Well, that's it for our headlines this week. Thank you for watching. This week's edition of CCN was brought to you by Temperzone. Thank you for watching.